Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to put the NGL link on Facebook profile. To start the process, open your NGL application in your mobile device. Here tap on Copy Link, then tap on OK. Now go back and open your Facebook application. Go to your profile. Tap on your username. Here, tap on the three dots. After that, tap on Edit. Then scroll down and tap on Add next to Links. Now tap on Add Social Link. Tap on the platform. Here you can select the platform. Then tap on Add Website. Now paste your NGL link here. Tap on the public. From here, you can change the privacy. After that, tap on Save. As you can see, our link has been successfully added. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.